To understand the modern housing market, we start with its physical reality, a vast network of moving parts where timing is everything. For years, finding the right home was a high-friction game of trial and error. Buyers and agents spent weeks narrowing lists, discovering what they wanted only after seeing dozens of properties they didn't. This friction exists because the industry has historically relied on lagging indicators. We make decisions based on last month's sales, or generic market reports that describe a neighborhood as it was, not as it is. The problem with looking backwards is that historical data cannot account for the specific, evolving preferences of an individual buyer today. By 2026, the industry is shifting toward a predictive model. We now have the technical capability to identify the exact properties a buyer will statistically prioritize based on their unique data profile. Moving from retrospective guessing to anticipatory machine learning changes the transaction. Success is no longer about reacting to what's listed, it's about anticipating the match. In this data-driven ecosystem, every digital interaction and physical move creates a traceable footprint, providing a constant stream of information. This information is processed through a dual-stream machine learning funnel, which ingests massive amounts of raw data to find actionable patterns. The first stream is the micro-level profile. This is built around the individual behavior of a specific client. This funnel aggregates personal inputs like browsing history, social media, and smart home data to create a behavioral profile. Simultaneously, it pulls in a second macro stream, environmental factors independent of the buyer. This includes real-time neighborhood trends, school performance, and future municipal plans. By collecting these micro and macro streams simultaneously, the system builds a complete picture of how a specific person interacts with a specific market. This combination of intimate behavior and broad environmental data provides the mathematical foundation needed to remove the guesswork from the search process. Within the algorithm's processing layer, these streams are fused together to identify market patterns that aren't visible through standard search filters. This matrix shows the primary output for buyers, a statistical probability that a specific client makes an offer on a property match. The system then overlays a projection of future value appreciation, showing how that property is likely to perform over time. This curated approach is the direct opposite of the old method, where agents would provide a generic list of every active listing and hope for the best. For sellers, the same synthesis identifies the optimal listing price and the marketing strategy most likely to reach the highest probability buyers. This process converts disconnected data points into a high-probability action plan that serves both sides of the transaction. In the 2026 market, the conversation shifts away from the technology itself and toward the measurable impact on the transaction. As the data in this chart shows, predictive personalization correlates with a significant drop in average search time and fewer days on market, leading to higher reported client satisfaction. While some worry that automation might replace the human element, these tools are actually designed to expand what an agent can do. The professional role moves from being a simple source of listings to an advisor who provides data-backed foresight, building a different level of trust with the client. In this environment, real estate professionals who utilize platforms with this depth of predictive personalization operate with a distinct advantage over those relying on traditional, manual methods. When machine learning can anticipate market needs with this level of precision, leveraging that data becomes a necessary part of a competitive business strategy.